so here it is. So first, as you can see, I did the, wait 1 second. Okay, so first I did the track width one, which is by default. So basically how this works is marker one, so there's 3 parts of the track, and there's the middle and the side, and then like off the track. And so basically they're called 3 markers. And so here I'm giving it 5 points if it's in the middle, 25.25 if it's on the side, and 1 if it's off the track, because the AWS car, like it's like a dog with points instead of treats. So like just like a dog loves treats, the AWS likes points. So they want to do whatever they can to get points. And so, well, over here is actually where I'm giving the points. So if the distance from center is marker 1, which is the closest, I give it 1 full point. If it's marker 2, which is the next to the closest, I give it 0.5 because it's not far away from the track, but it's still on. So then if it's not on the track, I give it 0.1 because I don't want it to go there. And if it's, I don't give it any points if it's crashed. So then I'm using the speed parameter. And so how this works is basically you set a certain speed, and then there's a max speed function, and you put the max, and then you say how many rewards you're going to get if you complete that. And so that's what I did here. And so the car did not finish 1 full lap, but the closest it got to was 93%. And so I can always start a new evaluation, but after completing 93% of the track, it got it in 24 seconds, which is pretty good. It's faster than all my other ones. And yeah, so the mashup, we don't have to worry about that. But I did other stuff, like I did a progress parameter and other models, like I can go here. And see over here is the speed one, which is what I incorporated.
And from here, you guys can see I tried getting like a time of under 25. Yeah, these things failed. And I was not happy with the result, but like, if you go to the beginning, tracing, the original one, I got a time of 27.5 as the fastest by only using the reward function distance per center. You get points the closer you are to the center of the track. And overall, if you're closer to the middle, the more points you get. It's called machine learning because you have time for training. This one used 60 minutes as training. It's like training your dog to do certain things. And if you do something bad, we take away from it. We don't treat it good. It's called machine learning. Let's skip ahead. This is Tracer 2. We used a similar one called Wheels reward. And this one is very interesting because it showed the speed reward. It says our max speed is 5, which is the fastest as an AWS car can go. The parameter is speed. Our max speed is speed divided by our max speed. So we got a 3. Say we got 3 and our max speed's 5. You get 0.6, and we times it by 2. No, by the power 2. So it'd be 0.06. No, 60. not thinking of math right there.
So
Okay.
Abdul, can I ask you this? So what happened to the recent ones? Did they not finish evaluation?
Yeah, they're all here. The most recent one is here.
Okay.
I tried like using 3 reward functions because I used the wheels reward, the distant reward, and the speed reward,
Right.
and I got 30 seconds.
Okay.
29 seconds. I'm like, really?
You know, as we've discussed, right? It's not a given that it's going to get better. So it's one of those things where you have to sort of see what gives better results than the other.
Yeah. So I'm like, okay. I had an idea. And I think this one I used 3 too. I used 3, yeah. I basically had the wheels reward still, but I used progress and speed because like usually when I had a speed with something, it'd usually go faster when I would have another parameter. My
Sorry,
example
can
of
we go back to that? What was the outcome of this? That reward function, what was the best you were getting?
one I was getting fastest I got was 26.8.
Okay, that's better than
Which
30.
is,
So I think
yeah,
you changed
which is still
the
quite
weight.
slow.
Sure, but you changed the weights there, right? Similar things, but you changed how much weight you give to each one of them.
hmm I was kind of disappointed in that one because of like I had under 25 before.
Uh-huh.
This one, I like my fastest was 27. I was still hoping for under 25.
And what was this reward function?
And my road function here was the wheels reward with progress. I was just trying it without speed. Then apparently 0.5 2, which is the fastest, and I used wheels on track. I used the distance reward with the speed. I distributed it 45 to 55, not evenly, but like I wanted to try something, and I got like 25.
This was my first model, and it just had the default function with the distance from center. And I got the least amount of time was about 27 seconds.
Right?
And then there's the progress, speed, and all wheels on track, which are the main ones that I combined.
Right?
The progress, the least amount was 25, which was really good.
Yeah, that's improvement for sure.
The speed, I never got it to actually complete the track.
Okay.
Since it was just making it go faster for more points. And then all wheels on track is making it sure that the 4 wheels are always on track. If they are, you get points, and if they're not, you get a low amount of points.
Right. And how about the recent ones, the ones that were mixed?
These are the 3 ones that were mixed. I was going to explain them. I combined the progress and first model, speed and wheels on track, and wheels on track and speed.
Uh-huh.
Well, I did mix it up a bit in these 2. So here, I didn't evaluate this one yet.
Okay.
So I don't have time of that. I'm pretty sure in one of these, yeah, this is, I think, my best time.
Yeah, this is certainly better than the other times, right? A little tad bit better.
Yes. And I did the 2 awards like this. Pretty sure the other one got time. Okay, no, I didn't evaluate this.